Hi, so if you watched my previous video, you know that I have created a playlist in that I'm automating my whole home. So while doing that, I thought why not focus on my security system. So previously I have made a door lock which I have installed in my home. Of that I will be giving link in the description. So in that door lock I have used this membrane keypad, and this keypad has few drawbacks. First of all, it's very thin and it's a paper like structure, so because of it its keys get torn very easily. And second, it doesn't has any tactile feedback, so if I pressed a button I doesn't know that I have pressed it or I didn't. So because of that, sometime my door doesn't open and I have to stand outside. To overcome this problem, I have ordered a new keypad. So this keypad is a retro type keypad which is used in the old telephones, if you know. So this keypad has a good tactile feedback. When I pressed a key, I get to know that I have pressed it, and it's a plastic like piece and its numbers are embedded in it, so I can feel the number. So its number, I think its number will not erase and this will not turn as easily as this membrane keypad. And let me show you its sound. So it doesn't really have a loud sound, but it surely has a good tactile feedback, so that I can know that I have pressed it or I haven't. So let's begin with this video. So let's get right into it.
It time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. 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 For you, for you, for you, for you, open eye, high blue skies for the first time. I got nightmares sometimes, 'cause I'm bracing for a storm I'm used to choose.
Access granted. Welcome to the party villa. Hope people have a nice time here. Access granted. Welcome to the party villa.
Now I'm blooming just for you. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. 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 For you, for you,
That's all for this video. This video is short because I'm only showing you that I'm changing my keypad. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Until then, bye.